Elidir Health is a software development company. We've developed a mobile app for nurses to enable them to work paperless. We're bringing mobile and access to information to the fingertips of nurses.
I think a lot of time we get given new technology or products and they just said, here you go, it's developed, use it. And sometimes they're not always easy to use, they're not simple, whereas with Elidir, because nurses were involved from the very beginning, they gained a very good understanding of what us as clinicians needed.
Because obviously working mobile and digitally saves everyone time and effort, and that's what we want to see. We want to see people doing the jobs that they want to do.
I think the fact that it has saved 23% of a nurse's time to spend with the patient, that's a huge impact on the nurse's working day.
Innovation is incredibly important, and without the opportunity that a programme like SBRI gave us, we wouldn't have had that window of time to look at things differently, to approach the requirements differently and give the nurses time to come up with what it was that they actually needed to do the work.
The Welsh Government have been very helpful. We've been able to contact them whenever we've needed, and they've steered us in the right direction to help us develop as a company.
The Welsh Government do all they can to support business in Wales. It's fantastic that within Wales we have the innovation hubs, the universities, the sector experts within the Welsh Government and the various different departments. So it's fantastic to work with them as partners as we develop this growth business.
The most rewarding aspect of this job is when you get to see a nurse or a clinician using the software and they pick it up and smile across their face because this is what they've always imagined that they could have to do their job.
Everybody who's been involved should be hugely proud of what we've achieved to develop this app.
It's wonderful being Welsh, being able to work in Wales with a crew of fantastic, creative, capable people, some of the best people in the world, working in the best environment in the world here, and able to bring a product that's going to make a difference to people's lives and take that internationally.